Brooklyn Independent Television.
And as usual, for every opening day show, we always do the sights and sounds of opening day. Check it out. What does opening day mean to you also?
It means great. It means baseball season's back in Brooklyn. I love it. 11 years, 12 years, I can't wait. Can't wait till the season starts.
Opening day, what does it mean to you today? I know.
Oh, you know, everybody's excited. It's like Little League again. And you can be a Little Leaguer for one night, then it's time to go to work.
This your first season here?
Second.
So what are your thoughts about this season?
Should be fun, man. Should be a good season. We're excited. A lot of fans. Open up with the Staten Island Yankees, so it should be fun.
Thoughts about opening day? Is this an annual ritual that you look forward to this year?
Yeah, definitely. Opening day is always something to look forward to.
And as far as Warner Fusel, also your thoughts about him?
What's that?
Warner Fusel.
He's a great man. Nothing but good things to say about that guy. A lot of respect for him. All my prayers go out to his family and the Cyclones and everything. So it's a sad day for a lot of people.
Well, it's going to be a good year. It's a good year to be out to watch games. You know, it's a good place to go, and the kids are always enthusiastic. It's the best ticket deal around.
I'm just looking forward to a good season. Hopefully, I'm a pitcher, so just anything I can do to contribute to the team would be fantastic.
What school are you from?
I'm from Sanford in Birmingham, Alabama.
So this must be a complete difference.
It is. It's my first time in Brooklyn, and I've enjoyed it, to say the least.
Is it everything you heard so far?
Yeah, busy and everything, crowded, but I've enjoyed it a lot. It's really fun.
Opening day festivities.
Just come out here, and I went to Nathan's, had a hot dog, and then came out here and do a little tossing, and just take it all in full.
I think they're going to win this year, this ring right here. They should win this by the time the season's over. Let's go Cyclones!
It starts off on a glum note with Warner passing, which is why I'm wearing the Heart jersey, because he passed away of a heart attack. But hopefully in September, after Labor Day, it finishes with the trophy.
Wes Wilson. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the starting lineup for your Brooklyn Cyclones. Leading off, the second baseman, number 20, Juan Gamboa. Batting second in center field, number 8, Brandon Nimmo. Batting third, the shortstop, number 28, Philip Edmond. In the cleanup spot, the designated hitter, number 30, Alex Sanchez. Batting fifth in the left field, number 46, Stefan Sable. We now ask for everyone to please rise and remove your caps as we offer a moment of silence in remembrance of this terrific broadcaster, a great friend, and an amazing person, the late, great Mr. Warner Fusel.
For the land of the free and the home of the
Watch this and other Brooklyn Independent Television episodes online at breakartsmedia.org/BIT.